people, welcome back to Demox Design Creatives, and today I will take you straight to ZoomIt applications, how you can download it and effectively use it to showcase your presentations to your audience and make the best presentations out of it. So I told you this is a must-have application if you are a presenter or if you are a trainer. And right away I will take you to the browser. You can go to your browser of your choice and type in ZoomIt. If you type in ZoomIt download, click on ZoomIt download, it will take you to a link here which is ZoomIt Windows internals or Microsoft Docs. Click on that and it will take you straight to their page. And on this page you can see that ZoomIt was developed by Mark Rusinovic, who happens to be a chief staff of Microsoft Corporation. So you can see here ZoomIt was published in December 11, 2019. To download ZoomIt, you only need to click on this link here and it will take you straight to ZoomIt. ZoomIt is a very small application but runs at the background of your computer, and it will not take a lot of space and it won't consume or affect the performance of your PC. So click on ZoomIt. When you click on ZoomIt, you can decide to save it anywhere in your PC. So let's extract ZoomIt. Once you extract ZoomIt, you can always come here and click on ZoomIt, and this window that pops up is an orientation to show you what you're supposed to do to get to ZoomIt. So we have Zoom, we have live Zoom. You're told to click on Control+4, and then we have, if you want to draw, you click on Control+2. If you want to type, you just click on T. If you want to break, just click on Control+3. If you want to place a timer, it is very easy to do that. So I'll take you back to the page where we left, and here you can see an introduction to ZoomIt, where you're told ZoomIt is a screen zoom and annotation tool for technical presentations that include application demonstrations. The first time you run ZoomIt, it presents a configuration dialog that describes ZoomIt's behavior. Lets you specify alternate hotkeys for zooming and for entering drawing mode without zooming. Like you have seen the hotkeys Control+1. You can decide to change to any shortcut of your choice. You can decide to change any shortcut of your choice. So when you come here, look at this. ZoomIt offers a number of shortcuts which can extend its usage greatly. Now we will work on these shortcuts briefly, and then I'll get you to do the rest. If you click on Control+1, this is what happens if you move. Like now I am moving my mouse. If I want to zoom around, if I want to zoom around here, I will zoom in through scrolling my mouse wheel. I will zoom in through scrolling my mouse wheel. I will also zoom out using my mouse wheel. That's by scrolling downwards. If I want to leave zoom mode, I will only press escape key, and then I'll be back to my normal screen. So if I want to start a drawing while on zoom mode, I will need to click on the left click. If I click on the left click while I'm on zooming, let me see if I'm on zooming. Click Control+1. I'm on zooming. So if I click on my left key, I'll automatically start drawing. If I want to draw a line, I will automatically start drawing. I'll automatically start drawing. To move out of this screen, you only press escape key to get back to your normal window. If I want to stop drawing, I will click on the right key, like I have shown you. The left key is to start drawing while on zoom mode, while the right key is to help you stop drawing while on your zoom mode. If I want to start drawing while not in zoom mode, I will be required to click on control. This is the shortcut, control +2. It will change my cursor to a drawing mode. So if I want to draw a line, just click on the left click and drag it. Click on the left click and drag it. If I want to increase or decrease line and cursor size while on drawing mode, what I do, you click on control, hold control, and then you can scroll your mouse up or down. If I say, for example, scroll up, if I scroll up, I will increase the size of my lines. I will increase the size of my lines. I will increase the size of my lines. But if I want to decrease the size of my lines, I'll click on control and then scroll down my mouse wheel, and then I'll be able to draw lines that are thinner than the prior ones. If I want to go to the center, if I want to go to the center of the screen, say for example I am around somewhere here and I want to go to the center of the screen, I'll press my space bar. It will take me to the center of the screen. If I was there, I click on space bar, takes me to the center of my screen. If I want to do some sketching, my audience is watching what I am doing, and it reaches a point I need to take my audience to some sketches, and I want a board to do some drawing or to do something on that board, either a whiteboard or a blackboard. If I want a whiteboard, I'll click on W for white, and it will straight away take me to my whiteboard. And in my whiteboard, say for example I need to do something that my audience wants to check or my audience wants to watch, I'll do some sketches here. I'll be able to do my presentation around here and do my my sketches as my audience watches. If I want to move out of this board, I'll press the escape key. If I want to go to my blackboard now, because I was in my whiteboard and I want to change to my blackboard, I'll click on K on the keyboard and it straight away takes me to my blackboard. On my blackboard I can still do a lot of sketching. I can do some drawings. If my audience wants to have a drawing of what I am presenting, that is what I will do. I will click on K to go to my blackboard. If I want to go to if I want to type on my screen, say for example I need to type something, I need to tell my audience something and I want to type, what I will do, I will click on T, which is in my keyboard. When I click on T, I'll be able to type something. So let's say this is ZoomIt. I will be able to do an explanation. I will be able to type whatever I want to type, and my audience will be watching. The beauty of this application is that it makes your audience more glued to your screen because of the presentations that you're taking them through. ZoomIt has 6 different colors. ZoomIt has 6 different colors. We have R for red, G for green, B for blue, Y for yellow, O for orange, and P for pink. So as a presenter, if you wish to have to present in color red, you'll only press R on your keyboard and R will give you red. Through this red, you can still decide to type or using red by pressing T for T for typing and pressing R for red. So you can type this is cool. So if I want to type in green, I will only click G and G will give me green. When I press on T, I'll be able to write in color green. This is green. If I want blue, I'll only click B on my keyboard and B will give me blue. And if I want to type, I click on T, I bring my cursor where I want to type, and this is blue. If I want color if I want color yellow, I'll press Y for yellow, and I'll be able to type in yellow. This is yellow. How cool is this? If I want to go to orange, I'll press escape key, of course, and then press O for orange, and I'll be able to type in orange. If I want pink, I'll press P for pink, and I'll be able to type in pink color. Cool. If I want to draw a straight line, I will hold shift and I'll be able to draw a straight line. When I hold shift, I'll be able to draw a straight line. If I want to change this, press Y for yellow and draw a straight line. Y for yellow and draw a straight line like that. If you want a straight line. If you want to draw an ellipse, you hold tab and you will be able to draw an ellipse. You hold tab and you will be able to draw an ellipse. Change the color by pressing the first letter of the color that you wish to have, and then press on tab, and when you press tab, you'll be able to get an ellipse. If I want to draw an arrow, you hold Control and Shift, and you'll be able to draw an arrow. You'll be able to draw as many arrows you wish to have. You will be able to draw as many arrows you wish to have. If I want to erase my last drawing, say for example I had this kind of drawing. If I want to erase this drawing, I'll press Ctrl Z to erase my drawing. I'll press Ctrl Z to erase my drawings. If I want to erase all drawings, say for example I have these drawings, let me do some drawings up here, and then I have another drawing. Where do I have my next drawing? My next drawing is this. So if I want to erase all my drawings, I'll click E and it will clear all my drawings. If I want to copy a screenshot to clipboard, if I want to copy a screenshot to my clipboard, like for example I want to copy this screenshot of all this screen of mine here. If I want to copy a screenshot of this, I'll click on Control C to copy, and to save it as a PNG, Control S. It will help you, or it will take you to Window Explorer file to save your docu or your PNG to any folder of your choice. If I want to create a countdown, timer, maybe it's an exam that my students are doing, and I want to have a timer in front of that class, or on online training, I'll be able to do that by clicking on Control and 3. Click on Control plus 3, and it will take you to your timer. If you want to increase the time, you can scroll, you can move up your mouse wheel, and then the timer will start from where you will stop. You want to drop your timer to 5 minutes, for example, it will start from 5 minutes. If you want to minimize your timer without pausing it, you will be required to click on Alt plus Tab. And if you want to show timer when minimized, you left click on the ZoomIt icon. So if you want a live zoom mode, you will click on Control plus 4. It will give you a live zoom mode. The good thing with live zoom mode, you can scroll one side while the other side is not the other side that is not scrollable moving, rather than the normal zoom mode. Rather than the normal zoom mode. So live zoom mode is quite different from zoom mode, because with live zoom mode you can zoom in and not interfere with the content. Other areas of the content will be visible. If you want to scroll, the scrollable side will scroll, and then you will be able to go through the zoom mode. If you want to exit your screen, you only press on escape or right click to exit. So thank you so much for following this tutorial. Thank you for giving me your time and taking your time to go through ZoomIt. This is an annotation and a presentation tool that is a must-have. Thank you for your patience, for listening and following up with the video. Until we see you again when I drop a new video. See ya.